Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, distinguished guests, and valued stakeholders. Welcome, everyone, to this very, very momentous occasion where we've gathered here to celebrate the listing of Capital Small Finance Bank Limited. So in good intent and good faith, let's have a huge round of applause for Capital Small Finance Bank Limited. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a very significant milestone in the company's journey, and we are extremely thrilled to have you join us for this momentous occasion. But before we begin, may I request everyone to kindly stand in attention for the national anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तव जय गाथा जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे.
Thank you. I request everyone to kindly take in your seats. Ladies and gentlemen, Capital Small Finance Bank Limited commenced operations as India's first small finance bank in 2016 pursuant to RBI's approval dated March 4th, 2016. The bank offers a range of banking products on the asset and liability side in all the states it operates, that is Punjab, Haryana, Delhi, Rajasthan, Himachal Pradesh, and Union Territory of Chandigarh. With an experience of over 2 long decades in the banking industry, having been incorporated in the year 1999. Regulated by RBI, Capital Small Finance Bank Limited is one out of the 2 non-NBFC microfinance entities to receive the SFB license in 2015. The bank's core strategy is to strengthen retail-focused banking franchisee by enabling access to affordable credit and well-defined niche catering to middle-income group segment with special emphasis on rural and semi-urban areas. Ladies and gentlemen, and with great experience comes great minds. And today, on this very, very special occasion of the listing of equity shares of Capital SFB, we would like to welcome various dignitaries who have joined us. To begin with, let's give a big round of applause to welcome the leadership team of Capital SFB, the book running lead managers who played a very integral part in the success of this IPO. Let's give a warm welcome to Mr. Amarjeet Singh Samra, promoter and our guiding principal. Very, very warm welcome to you, sir. We have here with us Mr. Naveen Kumar Maini, Chairman and Director. Welcome, sir. Please help me in welcoming Mr. Sarvarjeet Singh Samra, Promoter, MD and CEO. Let's give a warm welcome to Mr. Munish Jain, Executive Director and Chief Financial Officer. And we have here with us our directors. Our director, Mr. Dinesh Gupta. Very, very warm welcome. Mr. Srinath Srinivasan, Director. Mr. Mahesh Parsuraman, Director. Mr. Nageshwar Rao Yalamchali, Director. Mrs. Rachna Dikshit, Director. Mr. Gurpreet Chuk, Director. We'd also like to welcome Mr. Satyen Shah, President and Head, Investment Banking and Fixed Income, Nuvama Wealth Management Limited, BRLM. We'd also like to welcome Mr. Dharmesh Mehta, MD and CEO, DAM Capital Advisors Limited. We'd like to extend a warm welcome to Mr. Ajay Garg, MD and CEO, Equirus Capital Private Limited. And we would like to extend a very warm welcome to Mr. Deepak Goel, Chief Financial Officer, BSE. A very warm welcome. Ladies and gentlemen, we have a very rich, beautiful tradition in our country that before starting a very nice work, good, auspicious work, we take blessings from the Almighty. And that's why we'll be having the lamp lighting ceremony. And to do the honors of lighting the ceremonial lamp, I request the following dignitaries to please gather next to the lamp lighting area. Mr. Deepak Goyal from BSE, Mr. Amarjeet Singh Samra, Mrs. Surinder Kaur Samra, Mr. Naveen Kumar Maini, Mr. Sarvajit Singh Samra, Mr. Satyen Shah, Mr. Dharmesh Mehta, Mr. Ajay Garg to please join us for the lamp lighting ceremony.
शुभं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं कुरु त्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः
We also have Mr. Vishal Desai from DAM Capital Advisors with us.
नमोस्तुते दीपज्योतिर्नमोस्तुते शुभं कुरु त्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः ज्योतिर्परब्रह्म दीपज्योतिर्जनार्दनः दीपज्योतिर्परब्रह्म दीपज्योतिर्जनार्दनः दीपो हरतु मे पापम् सन्ध्यादीपनमोऽस्तुते शुभं कुरु
Thank you so much for doing the honors. With this lamp lighting, we pray that our prayers reach the Almighty and the fire within us to be the best, to be a winner, and to succeed also always burns bright. Ladies and gentlemen, we have marked a new and prosperous beginning for Capital SFB. Now, it gives immense pleasure to invite on stage Mr. Satyen Shah, President and Head, Investment Banking and Fixed Income, Nuvama Wealth Management Limited, to initiate the proceedings. Let's give a warm welcome to him, please. Welcome, sir.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of Capital Small Finance Bank and the three BRLMs, Nuvama, DAM Capital, and Aquarius, would like to extend a very, very warm welcome to the listing ceremony. At the outset, I'd like to start with a big congratulations to Samraji, Dineshji, Munishji, and the entire Capital SFB team on this very, very significant milestone. The company has been operating for over 2 decades under the dynamic leadership of Samraji, first as a local area bank and then as a small finance bank once it got the license in 2016. From its first branch in Jalandhar to over 170 branches today, the company has been leveraging its retail liability and asset franchise and localized area experience because of its being a local area bank, and today is a pioneer in bringing modern state-of-the-art banking facilities in rural areas at a low cost. The company has best-in-class operating parameters comparable to other SFBs. In the current year, for example, it has the lowest cost of funds, it has the highest proportion of retail deposits to total deposits, it has the highest CASA deposits, it has one of the best, it is a fully secured book at over 99.8% of the book being fully secured. And it has one of the lowest credit cost and lowest GNPAs in the system. The bank has had the lowest write-offs among SFBs and private sector banks from FY21 to the first half of FY24, which demonstrates the robust risk management, underwriting and control practices adopted and followed by the bank. On a personal note, I very clearly remember the first time I met Samraji and Munishji. That was over 7 years back. at Nariman Point. And we had left the meeting very impressed with the clarity and vision that the management had. And we've been, it's a very proud moment for us that we've been associated with them since then in the private equity raise that the bank did, and even in the IPO that the bank has done. So it's been a very proud association for us to partner with them. The issues had its share of ups and downs, which every issue has. And I must say that the management came very, very prepared, very, very determined to make this happen. And this is where we are today. I would like to thank all the investors who supported us, all the people who've been involved in making this issue a success, right from the lawyers, the regulators, the registrars, the printers. A big thank you to all of them. As the company embarks on a new chapter in its life, we'd like to wish them the very, very best. And I would also like to thank once again the entire management team, the Amicus team, the Oman investment team for choosing us as your partner in this very, very prestigious event for the company. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir, for initiating the proceedings. Ladies and gentlemen, now it gives me immense pleasure to invite on stage Mr. Sarvarjit Singh Samra, MD and CEO, Capital Small Finance Bank Limited. Let's give a thunderous round of applause for him, please.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. A warm welcome to all present here and to our team Capital, which has joined live today morning as viewing this proceedings online. Today is a very auspicious day of Basant Panchami and a very memorial day for our organization. Today is the third such important day for us. Of course, first being the day of 14 January 2000. Again, it was a auspicious day of Makar Sankranti, or in Punjabi we call it Maghi. It is a day which is auspicious and has its uniqueness all over India, I would say. The day when we started as India's second local area bank. The second such day being the day of April 24, 2016, the day we converted from a local area bank to small finance bank. And today is the third such day, I would call, which we all were eagerly waiting for this moment. I feel privileged and honored to be here at BSE's historical hall today, and I could see each and everyone when we entered this hall, the type of the feelings that we all were having. A journey during this, to this day, I would say during the last 2 months was very exciting. And of course, it has been a busy period, but I personally enjoyed it. You really enjoy it, especially when you get good audience from the investors. Myself, Munish and Dinesh, we were meeting anchor investors since December 4th, 23, and this continued till the very last moment the IPO deal was launched. A team at head office, of course, the key members are present here. They were working 24/7 to make this possible, what we have achieved today. And of course, same hard work put in by our bankers, our legal consultants, our media partners, auditors, and of course, all others who were involved in this IPO process And I would also like to thank to the regulators. I am highly thankful to the existing investors who have supported us in our this growth journey and to reach us today where we are today. And of course, to our anchor investors whom we have onboarded in this process, in this IPO process. And of course, to all new investors whom we have onboarded in various categories in this during the IPO process and who trusted in us. On behalf of bank's board of directors and our team, I assure all stakeholders a consistent and predictable outcome in our future performance. To achieve this, I look forward towards the support of everyone. Thank you and heartiest congratulations.
Thank you so much, sir, for always inspiring us. Ladies and gentlemen, it gives me immense pleasure now to invite on stage Mr. Deepak Goyal, Chief Financial Officer, BSE. Let's give a warm welcome to him, please.
Good morning, and a warm welcome to all the dignitaries, colleagues, and team of Capital Small Finance Bank and all the partners who were involved in this IPO. I welcome all of you to this iconic hall of BSE. So I've been part of a bank for a large part of my career, okay, and I've seen the kind of difference what banks make to people's life. I still remember in 2015 when RBI decided to give initial 10 licenses to small finance banks. It was considered as an experiment. There were many who were positive about this experiment or about this whole thing. There were equal number of naysayers also. But I believe, banks like Capital SFB has proved all the naysayers wrong. Okay, you guys have not only built bank, expanded, and are serving people of low and middle income group, making differences to their life, also aspiring for or preparing yourself for universal bank license, have also going live or getting yourself listed. So that's a big achievement. I consider listing as transition to adulthood in the corporate life cycle journey, right? So congratulations. Now you are in the last leg of that journey or completing that journey. Congratulations on completing the successful public offer of 523 crore. I welcome you all as the newest member of BSE. The way Capital SFB has been making difference to people's life by providing capital to needy people for starting their business or for various other requirements. We at BSE also make the difference by providing our platform for wealth creation. So far, companies listed on BSE platform has wealth to the tune of more than $4 trillion, 4 trillion USD. Right? BSE is going to complete 150 year in this year, second half of this year. And we are the Asia's oldest exchange. BSE not only provides its platform for listing of equity instruments, it's also available for listing debt instruments. We also provide platform for efficient and transparent trading of equity derivative, commodity derivative, currency derivative, futures, and others. I hope and believe by listing on BSE's platform, Capital SFB will not only improve its profile of investors, will also expand its shareholder base, and BSE will be the preferred partner for future fundraising also. With this, I congratulate you once again, and thank you very much.
I request sir to please be on stage. As to commemorate the significance of this event, we'll now have an exchange of mementos. Firstly, I request Mr. Deepak Goyal from BSE to present a special listing memento to Capital Small Finance Bank Limited. And to receive the memento, may I request Mr. Sarvajit Singh Samra, MD and CEO, Capital SFB, to please come forward. Very warm welcome to both of you. This is the iconic BSE gong that has been presented to the company. Thank you. Yes. We request you to please take the other mementos as well. This is a special gong, as well as the other mementos, please. Thank you. I request Mr. Goyal to please be on stage. And at the same time, I request Mr. Satyen Shah, President and Head, Investment Banking and Fixed Income, Nuvama Wealth Management Limited, along with his team, to please come forward. Very warm welcome to you and your team. Warm welcome to both of you. Thank you. And I request Mr. Vishal Desai, Senior Vice President, ECM, DAM Capital Advisors Limited, to please come forward. Yes, we can applause twice, no problem. Very, very warm welcome to you, sir. Thank you. I request Mr. Ajay Garg, MD and CEO, Equirus Capital Private Limited, along with his team, to please come forward. Thank you. I request Mr. Goyal to please be stationed there. At the same time, I request Mr. Sarvajit Singh Samra, MD and CEO, Capital SFB, to please come forward, as now the company will be presenting special mementos to the partners who have contributed invaluably to the listing. Yes, I request Mr. Sarvajit Singh Samra to present memento to sir. That is Mr. Deepak Goyal from BSE. Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Goyal. I request sir to please be there. At the same time, I request Mr. Satyen Shah, President and Head, Investment Banking and Fixed Income, Nuvama Wealth Management Limited, to please come forward, this team. Very, very warm welcome to you and your whole team. Thank you. I now request Mr. Dharmesh Mehta, MD and CEO, DAM Capital Advisors Limited, along with his team, to please come forward. Let's have a warm welcome for him and his team. Welcome, sir. Thank you so much. Now I request Mr. Ajay Garg, MD and CEO, Equirus Capital Private Limited, along with his team, to please come forward. Very, very warm welcome. Let's have an applause for them while they're coming on stage. Thank you so much. Now request representative from legal counsel to the issue, Cyril Amarchan Mangaldas, along with his team. Very, very warm welcome. Thank you. I now request representative from legal counsel to the bankers, J. Sagar and Associates, along with his team. Very, very warm welcome to you all. Very, very warm welcome. Thank you. I now request Messrs. T.R. Chadda and Company, along with his team, to please come forward. They are the statutory auditor to the bank. Yeah. Moving forward, may I request Mr. Arun Ori from Ad Factors Advertising and PR, along with his team, to please come forward. A very warm welcome to you, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you. Now I request representative from registrar to the offer, Link Inctime India Private Limited, along with the team, to please come forward. A very warm welcome to both of you. Thank you. Now request representative from printer, Crystal, along with the team, to please come forward. All right. Thank you so much, sir, for doing the honors. Let's have a huge round of applause for them, please. And now I would like to invite Mr. Manish Jain, Executive Director and CFO, Capital SFB, to please come forward.
Thank you. Good morning and namaskar. Guys, today is a day which I can call it a dream come true times. We were working on this particular transaction for a while, and this is, I can say, purely a dream come day for me at least. It's marked a very pivotal moment in our journey. I can say it's a day filled with immense pride, gratitude, and we are celebrating our successful IPO. As an executive director and chief financial officer, I'm standing in front of you, not just as an executive representative, but I also act as a representative of a vision that has grown beyond our ambitious dream. This achievement, I believe, is just not a testimony to the hard work and dedication of the team, but also a reflection of the trust that we got from the investors. As Mr. Samra said, over the last 45 to 50 days, we met multiple people. And yes, that was the time full of anxiety. That was the time when you go there with the belief, okay, what's going to come? But happy to share. Well responded, and we thoroughly enjoyed all the interactions and learned the lessons of the life. So last 60 days are a turning times, I can say, a time which make us learn huge new things. This particular journey of an IPO is very demanding. Yet through the dedication of my team capital, the team standing here, the team seeing us through the live interactions, our compliance team, our IPO support team, our business team, our back office team. A big thanks to all of you to make this happen. And in this journey, I really like to give a special thanks to, first of all and foremost, I like to thank the BSE for giving us this beautiful place. So where we all are standing and celebrating today. And I also like to give a special thanks to our regulatory bodies. Specifically, I will say, my regulatory body, which is very close to our heart, Reserve Bank of India. Yes, SABI, BSE and SE, which put in place such a particular framework which help us to expand our wings. Okay, so she asked me to be quick, so I just try to wrap up. So my thanks to my bankers, BRLMs, Nuvama, DAM Capital, Equirus, my consuls, CAM, GSA, our media partners, ad factors, our LinkedIn, Crystal, and big thanks to the investors, both the long-standing and the guys who joining us. So guys, I just wrapping up in a minute. Okay, so I have to wrap it up. Thank you.
I genuinely apologize. Sir, I request you to please be on stage, and I genuinely apologize. I also request the ceremony is going to start. So Mr. Amarjeet Singh Samra, quickly please come on stage. Mr. Naveen Kumar Maini, Mr. Sarvajit Singh Samra, Mr. Manish Jain, Mr. Dinesh Gupta, Mr. Srinath Srinivasan, Mr. Mahesh Parsuraman, Mr. Nageshwar Rao Yalamchili, Mrs. Rachna Dikshit, Mr. Gurpreet Chugh, Mr. Deepak Goyal. Please quickly come forward. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, we are moving towards a very, very historic moment. And also let me tell you, 10 seconds before 10 a.m., we will be having a customary countdown. So together we all will be shouting. At the count of 10, we'll be doing that. All right, in 3 more seconds. All right. Okay, everybody, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hearty, hearty congratulations. Let's have a bigger round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, for this absolutely amazing moment. Move towards history. Yeah, you can hit the gong as well because we need some nice sound here. So, ma'am and sir, I request you to please hit. Yeah, please. Yeah, let's hit the gong. Yeah, louder. Zor se, yes. Yeah, better. Yeah. Once again, yes, let's have a. Yeah, it's such a proud moment for all of us. Hearty congratulations to Capital Small Finance Bank Limited, which is now officially listed on the stock exchanges of the country. We are truly grateful to BSE, the book running lead managers to the issue, our members of the board, media, our friends and family, and all the well-wishers who could join us for this momentous occasion. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen, and have a great day ahead. Thank you. Thank you.